our next topic is Gauss's theorem. Gauss's theorem. According to Gauss's theorem, the net or total electric flux phi is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times of the total charge enclosed. Its statement is phi, that means electric flux, is 1 by epsilon naught times 1 by epsilon naught times of the total charge enclosed. That means phi is equal to, we have the charge enclosed with q, then phi is equal to q by epsilon naught. Phi is equal to q by epsilon naught. Let's prove that. Suppose we have a charge enclosed by a surface, a q amount of charge enclosed by a surface, and so this charge has electric field intensity of E, and this is area vector ds. Both ds and E are along the same line, so angle between them theta is equal to 0 degree. Theta is equal to 0 degree. We already know that phi is equal to E ds cos theta. We have already known. So E ds and cos theta is equal to cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. The value of cos 0 degree is 1. So it can be 1 here. You can add E and ds. As the whole sphere is of different area and we consider only elementary area ds, so the phi can be represented through this. The elementary area is d phi. Now integrating both sides, we can, to get the whole flux of that charge, we have to integrate this equation on both sides. So integrating it both sides. Now we have to take a closed integration because there is not limit. So closed integration of d phi and closed integration of E ds. The integration of dx is x, so the integration of d phi is phi only. Phi. And E is not a variable, so E is equal to E, and the integration of ds will give us area of the whole sphere. What is the area of whole sphere? Remember the area of whole sphere. The area of whole sphere is 4 pi r square. The area of whole sphere is 4 pi r square. So it is E and 4 pi r square. And the value of E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square and into 4 pi r square. So some things are cancelled out. These things are cancelled out. And finally we get q by epsilon naught. So phi is equal to q by epsilon naught. Hence the Gauss theorem is proved.